Hello, my dear students. I, Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University, Bhopal. Today, I am going to discuss with you on subject Environment Studies and Disaster Management on topic food chain. This is the content. Today, I am going to discuss with you in brief what is food chain, biological magnification. So, start with food chain. Organism in one level feed upon organism at the lower level. This is called food chain. What is trophic level? Each link in a food chain is known as trophic level. Trophic levels represent a feeding step in the transfer of energy and matter in an ecosystem. We try to explain more about trophic level. First, producer, which is called autotrophs. Second, primary consumer, what we call herbivores. Secondary consumers, small carnivores. Tertiary consumers, top carnivores. This is the different trophic level. Energy is flow from producers to top carnivore. Food chain. So food chain is what sun from sun producers can take energy. From producers, primary consumers can take energy. Example of primary consumers is grasshopper. From grasshopper, primary consumers, secondary consumers can take energy. From secondary consumers to tertiary consumers, and from tertiary consumers to decomposers, and from the decomposers to grass. In this way, energy is flow and food chain is formed. Type of food chain: a terrestrial food chain, and second is a marine food chain. A terrestrial food chain is what plant, carnivorous, secondary, top carnivorous. A marine food chain is photoplankton, zooplankton, carnivore, and tertiary carnivore. This is the type of food chain. A few more sample of food chains: tropic level, grassland biomes, pond biome, oceans biome, and tropic level, primary producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers, quaternary consumers. In grassland biome, food chain is like grass from grass to grasshopper, then rat to snake to hawk. Ponds biomes, algae, mosquito larva, dragonfly larva, fish, and raccoon. Oceans biome, photoplanktons, zooplanktons, fish, seal, and white shark. Significance of food chain. Biological magnifications or biomagnifications is like that some harmful chemicals like insecticides and pesticides which are used to protect crop from insects and pests are absorbed by plants and enter into the food chain. Since these chemicals are not biodegradable, so they can accumulate it at every trophic level and their concentration is increased. The increase in concentration of harmful chemical in the body of organism at higher trophic level is called biological magnification. Biological magnifications of DDT is explained from the following pics. Suppose DDT in water is 0.00003 ppm concentration. Then from water to zooplanktons, it can be 0.04 ppm. From zooplanktons to small fish, it may be zero point 0.5. From small fish to large fish, it can be 2 ppm. And from large fish to fish eating birds, 25 ppm. So you can say the concentration of DDT at the higher trophic level is increased. This is what called biomagnifications. How we can determine biomagnifications or biological magnifications? The biomagnifications of pollutants can be estimated with the help of biological concentration factor BCF, which VCF is the ratio of concentration of toxic material in organism to the concentration of toxic material in the environment. So thank you students. I hope you like these lectures. We will meet you very soon.